Hi, I'm Andrew. I go to the Dalton School, and I'm going to 10th grade. And this is my project, a bike cycle computer, I guess. And it's really neat because it monitors the revolutions of a bike wheel with a magnet sensor, a magnetic reed switch, and then a magnet on this simulated bike wheel. So every time the magnet goes around, the switch turns on, and the Arduino computer knows that the wheel has gone around. And to convert that into miles per hour, it measures the time in between two magnet senses, and then that's some time in seconds or milliseconds or whatever, and then it changes that from a few seconds into miles per hour. So it displays the speed on the screen when I turn on the device, and it also sends it over wireless communication from this device called an XB to another one at the computer. So the computer can then read that data, graph it, store it, and keep it for later. So if I turn it on, I first have to set the radius of my bike wheel, and it gives me 15 seconds to do that. So if this is my bike wheel, let's say that's about half a foot. And then the only other thing I need to do is start biking. And if I turn on this drill, you'll see as the magnet passes by, the speed will increase and the light will go on there. Then in addition, the computer, which is running a program that I made, is graphing the data at every revolution because the miles per hour is sent here, and then it's putting it on this graph and actually writing it to a file. So it saves how fast I've gone, how fast I'm currently going, my top speed, and then the distance I've traveled, which is really neat and really useful if I want to go back, do another trip, or just look at my bike ride. So here's the file. Oops, sorry, wrong folder. You can cut this out. And here's my trip. So I've got readings about every second of my top speed, which is updated every time I go faster to 11, and then just my regular speeds. So there you go. And that all happens automatically.
And so what's next?
So there are a lot of additions I can make to my project. I was considering doing GPS data, but that's not completely feasible in metal tins, and I don't know how useful that'd be. And then EL wire on bike wheels, which would light up and be really neat. Or, I don't know, there are a lot of directions.